Well, it's a beautiful day for a walk out here at the farm. And, yeah, I'm going to have to because otherwise I'm not going to make it down my driveway. No way I'm going to be able to make it on foot. So, I'll show you. There is my mom's Jeep. Oops, excuse me. Here's the Crappy Intrepid, sitting on the side of the road. Go, Crappy Intrepid, go. There's my backpack, my computer bag thing. Let's see, I need my headphones. And, yeah, my headphones anyway. There, now we're ready to walk. I want to be the minority. I can't sing. Minority. Well, we've made it this far. I'd like to thank Green Day for the soundtrack for this walk. Camel for nicotine. And Mother Nature for copying a squat on my forehead. Bitch. The 4-foot snowdrift would be why she tried to go through. She doesn't even look that stuck, really. We'll get it figured out. Criticize your government! Holiday, Green Day. Yeah, I'm gonna. Here's another angle. Just how. Oh lordy, that was a big blizzard. Jesus of Suburbia! Well, this is where she decided to cut up. I can definitely see the method to her madness here. Others have tried the same thing. Doesn't always work. See, that's where she stopped. Couldn't back up, so she tried going forward. Oh yeah, people have tried that before. Camel brought you that cough. Okay, back to walk. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. That's why I live out here. Beautiful scenery, freedom. Can you see a neighbor? I can't see a neighbor. Neighbors don't like me. This is way better. There's Mom's soon-to-be house, right there. There's my dad's retirement castle, right there. My house is in the trees. Anyway, for the win. I love it here, even if I have to deal with this, and that. As nobody else, or I can't say nobody else, but a lot of people don't get the rest of it that comes with it. Take the bad with the good. Okay, back to walking. Am I going to get the wet shoes? Let's find out. Haha! I cleared it! Obstacle number 273. Oh, more. Let's see here. There we go. Okay. We got good. Okay. Hey, Z. How you doing? Goofball dog. Freebie use.